Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Volkswagen Golf GTI edition 35. It's the 35th anniversary of GTI and it's a 2012 plate. Quite a sought after car and it's very desirable, especially in this metallic grey colour. We've got your LED daytime running lights, as you can see, and full Bi-Xenon headlights too. Honeycomb GTI grille. Nice alloys. Obviously we're going to give it a really nice clean for you before you get it. You've got your dark cherry red tail lamps as well. Really smart on this car, really modern still. You got your twin exhausts. And obviously it's a 5-door body style, so practical for families, but it's still a really sporty car. And of course you've got your Edition 35 badges. This really adds to the sporty edge, as well as your red brake calipers. You get a full 142 point check on this car, as well as all of our cars get that, as well as your 2-year warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, and if you take out PCP with us, you will of course get 2 years of free servicing as well. GTI badges on the back. And I'll show you inside now. It's a really good spec, especially for its age. So this is the DSG model. So it's an automatic, semi-auto, if you want it to be. You've got your flappy paddles on your steering wheel, just behind the steering wheel here. You can move the gears up or down. Got your semi-digital display here, your TFT display in the middle. Tell you all different things about the car. Navigation, phone, all these different things. A DAB radio. Really good for this age of car, for it to have DAB. Really useful feature. With it being a slightly older model, you don't have Apple CarPlay, but you do have Bluetooth on this car, as well as satellite navigation. CD player on this one too. Your leather seats as well. And then I'll show you the glove box. You've got your service history in there, handbook. And you've got this sort of honeycomb trim along here, and then along all the doors as well as your classic GTI red stitching. As you can see, this car's done 64,343 miles. Not bad for a car this age at all. Obviously as well, you'll get your 2 years servicing if you buy on PCP, and you also have 2 years warranty. So you do have loads of peace of mind there. I'll show you the steering wheel, GTI steering wheel, GTI badge there, flat bottom, and it's dimpled leather as well. Really nice, and like I say, it's a super desirable car. You do also have heated seats on this car if you wish to use them. Perfect for the winter months. Really nice feature on this car. I'll show you the outside and tell you a few more things. So I've turned on the LED headlights. As you can see, they produce a really bright light. The camera does not do this car justice at all. If you have any questions about this car, or want to know about finance or part X in your car against this car, don't hesitate to contact one of our staff members and we'll get back in touch with you. All the links will be in the description down below. Thanks for watching this video on Lancaster Volkswagen. See you soon.